Hello and welcome to another episode of Premiere Bytes. Thanks a lot for tuning in again. Today we are going to talk about how to create effects, presets in Premiere. So as a tip, if you use certain effects repetitively, think about creating a preset. It will save you some time in the long run and make you just a quicker editor. So let's say I want to add a transform effect to my clip. And I want to be able to reuse that on a couple of other clips after I've added it to this particular clip here. And let's say I want to animate it, add a nice Ken Burns zoom to it from 100 to 105%. The clip now zooms softly from 100% up to 105. So if you want to create a preset, you can just right click on it and press Save Preset, or you can go to the hamburger menu up here at Effect Controls. Both do the same job. And you can give it a lovely name. Let's call it Ken Burns 105. And what the type means, I will explain to you in the following short tutorial. And voila, it will show up in your presets folder here, Ken Burns 105, as you can see. And if we're now adding some more clips to the sequence, like our lovely chickens, we can now use our preset here and it will be applied to the clip with the keyframes. This also works with a combination of effects. Let's say we want to add a fast blur and also a channel invert. What we can now do is select both effects, go to Save Presets. Let's just use the name Fast Blur Invert. If we go back to our leaves and insert it here, you can see the fast blur and the invert has been applied to our clip. And you can also do that, of course, with audio effects. If you found that tutorial helpful, please leave a comment, press the subscribe button, and tell everyone about it. Thanks a lot for watching.